All right, YouTube, welcome back to MiahsBug. On this episode, we are going to be installing these seats. I gave you guys a poll online to see what you guys wanted to do. It was either going to be electric power steering, mounting the transaxle into the back of the Bug, or installing seats, and you guys voted seats, so we're going to do these. A couple of things that we did in order to get ready to install these seats was we got the pedals final installed into the position that they're going to be in. We got the shifter in. I don't have the steering wheel positioned yet, but we'll position that after the seat's installed. I sat in this. I shimmed it up with some 2x4s and got it in a position that I liked. It's angled back at the angle that I like. I got the head section where my head will be. It's clear of the B-pillar. So right now, it's pretty much where I want it. I made sure that we are not exceeding past the center line of the Bug because we got to have another seat on the other side. And then I marked the position of where these tabs are mounted on the frame and then how far up they are to the center of the bolt. So I have 4 1/4 back here and I have 5 1/2 up here to the front. So now I just got to build some mounts and we'll probably do that all on the bench. I got these seats for free, and I kind of like them, so I'm going to use them. Let's do this. Okay, we got this template made. I have the floor tube marked. I have my 2 points for the seat mounts, and then the distance up. So in the back section, I forget what it was. It was like 4 1/4, and then over here it was like 5 1/2. So it does have like a slight slope to it. These are the points that cannot move, and then everything else was just my design in between. So then I came up with this. I built one of these. I did end up changing the angle because I felt like this angle was coming out too far in front of the seat. So I made those a little bit steeper. And now that these are all welded up, they're fully TIG welded. Now I'm going to mark them and notch for the tubes. Once we get those, we'll put some crossbars in, and then we'll be able to add the tabs for the seats and then add the crossbars inside here, get them installed. Okay, so now that we got these lines on here, these are going to be our cut lines for where we cut this tube in half, and then this is going to be our cup that sits on top of our tube that runs through the vehicle. And then we got it sitting on top of the template. I marked down inside the tubes so that way I can line up the sister side of it. And then I've got the tabs lined up where they're going to mount to the seat. So this is only going to work for one side of the seat, and then what I'll do is I'll slide a tube through the mating side of it and mate it into the other side, and then that way I can line up the seat brackets. One thing I did was I accidentally purchased galvanized tabs, so I'll have to grind all that off, but I think I'm just going to grind just enough to get the welds done for now, and then I'll clean it up before I paint it. All the tabs are welded on, and I cut these in half already. So I got off all these little pieces, and now it's ready for me to install the tube, and these will just set down right on top of the tube. So I'll end up drilling a hole through here and bolting it to the cross tubes. So I just got to clean up this seat. I ended up with this monstrosity over here. This is really ugly, but I'll get that off of there. And then we'll get the seats installed and start figuring out where we're going to put our cross tubes. It's going to be fun. Let's do this. right, guys, well, the seats are done for now. I am at a good stopping point. You guys can see how I mounted these up. You can see I got my tabs here with some 3/8 bolts into riv nuts. I might not keep the riv nuts for long term, but for now it's very convenient. And then I got these set up where they just sit right on top of the tubes. So I'll probably put a bolt through here or some other way to mount it so that way they're solid and secured for off-roading. And you can see here where I had to cut these holes open to be able to get the tubes through the tunnel. I will put these back in and weld these back up. So, and then I'll weld the tubes to the tunnel itself to kind of secure this entire area. But they came out really good, happy with them. The seats, they're actually really comfortable. They were free, no complaints there. I'll be putting a coat of this black vinyl and fabric from Duplicolor spray paint. I saw that from the Craig 909 and his seats look fine. So I'm gonna try that out, especially since these are free seats. I don't care if they're a little bit ugly. So unless somebody wants to give me a seat sponsor, I'd be happy to put them in my Bug. But yeah, very happy with it. Now that those are in, I'll be able to put the crossbar across here for the seat belts. And also I'll be doing the triangulation of the B-pillar. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. And if you want to pick up any MiahsBug merch, go to miahsbugstore.com. And please like and subscribe. Thank you guys, and thank you for all the support. I will catch you later.